Welcome to City Griller. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, I went to Aldi's. I found this seasoned lamb leg steak, or it's a leg of lamb without the bone, right? It doesn't seem like there's any fat on it, which would kind of be nice to really get it to absorb in. But I'm gonna take this, open it up, take it out on the grill, and see what happens. All right, I'm out at the grill, and I'm gonna put this lamb right on the hot side. These two burners are on. It's gonna cook probably 20 minutes per pound. So this is a little over a pound. So I'll watch this though, maybe in 10 minutes, check it, maybe flip it over. If I need to, I'll go ahead and move it to the cooler side. I wanna get an internal temperature about 130 degrees to get a nice medium rare. All right, I've been watching the lamb leg here. It looks really good. Oh man, might be a little bit medium, but that feels pretty good. I'm gonna take it off the grill. I'm gonna let it rest, maybe 7-10 minutes. In the meantime, I've got some asparagus mushrooms. Gonna cook those up, finish those off, go inside and get ready to eat. All right, I have the lamb leg in here, ready to cut it. See how it looks, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that off. It's a little bit dark in here, I don't know why. It's about a medium to medium rare. I'll go ahead and finish cutting it. Oh, it's nice and pink, juicy. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Oh, I can't wait. I'm okay with that. I know down here in the middle of this piece, that's gonna be medium rare-ish. Absolutely love that. Can you see that? I think so. I'm gonna just try a small piece right here. I can't wait. I gotta eat some right now. Seasoned very nice too. A little spicy too. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com. Shoot, you just go out to the store and buy one of these, cook it on the grill, follow the directions. It's pretty easy. All right, see you next time.